Hi, my name's Dr. April Sikorsky, and I'm the director of the Writing Center here at Brazosport College. Today, I'd like to describe some of our remote services to you. The Writing Center at Brazosport College is staffed by a diverse team of undergraduate and professional consultants. On staff, we have BC students, undergraduates who have transferred but still work at Brazosport College, professionals with degrees in various fields, and all consultants have experience in writing for various disciplines, like English, speech, life sciences, or many of our workforce classes. Our vision is to support all learners and faculty as we co-create a culture of literacy and communication at Brazosport College. By visiting the Writing Center, you are working on your literacy skills, and that's what we mean by creating a culture of literacy, at least as far as you're concerned. Our services are free to all students, and we can help you with writing at all stages, whether you're creating a thesis, brainstorming and outlining, or want some help with your grammar and punctuation. We can also help with studying, annotating any readings you might have for a course, reading them and discussing, and creating presentations and practicing speeches. Currently, we're operating 100% online. We're open from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Monday through Thursday, and 8 a.m. to noon on Friday. Our sessions are appointment only. They must be scheduled at least 2 hours in advance, and the default session length is 50 minutes. This means that you can schedule your appointment weeks in advance or the same day, provided it's 2 hours ahead and we have availability. The default session length is 50 minutes to give you and your consultant enough time to make sure you cover as many writing issues as possible. There's a couple of ways that you can schedule your session. You can visit tutortrack.brazosport.edu. You can navigate to our website from the Brazosport College homepage, or you can visit us at brazosport.edu/writing center schedule. From that website, you can see this video, directions for how to schedule your appointment, a walkthrough video for scheduling your appointment, and a walkthrough video for attending your appointment. So, no matter how you find us, once you get into TutorTrack, you'll be able to search for available appointments and schedule a session for a time that works best for you. When scheduling your session, we have two formats for you to choose from. One is online tutoring Whiteboard. The communication modality here is text-based. All the communication occurs in the chat log on the left-hand side of your screen, as you can see the green and yellow over here, and you collaborate on your assignment in the right-hand side. You can input questions, comments, or responses to your consultant using the box at the bottom. These sessions are best for revision, annotating any reading, or practicing with your grammar, annotation, or different writing skills. If you want to work on a piece of writing, there's a chance that a whiteboard session is going to be the best mode for you. Zoom sessions, when you schedule, that would be online tutoring, Whiteboard, and Zoom, are best for people who like to have a conversation about their writing or reading, and they want that conversation to be oral or heard. The communication is through audio or video chat. Now, you don't have to have your video on. Webcam is not required. Audio only is fine. You'll collaborate through a screen share function. As you can see in the image on the right, we have a consultant and a student collaborating on a reading, and they're discussing this reading together. These are best for sessions where you want to discuss formatting, maybe formatting a reference page. Brainstorming sessions are great in this format. Outlining, reading, and speech. You will still meet your consultant in Whiteboard at the start of your session. And then your consultant will add a link to your Whiteboard chat that will take you to Zoom. From there, you can share your Zoom screen and look at Whiteboard, a Google Doc, or whatever document you have. Zoom sessions are best for people who prefer getting responses via conversation. Whiteboard sessions are best for people who prefer getting responses via text. Maybe you're better at understanding things that you read versus understanding things that you hear. If you're better at understanding things that you read, or you want a written record of everything you and your consultant said, Whiteboard would be best for you. If you want to have a conversational session where you and your consultant talk in real time, the Whiteboard plus Zoom session is going to be your best bet. Once you've scheduled your appointment, now you got to attend, and you'll attend almost in the same way that you scheduled. You can visit tutortrack.brazos-port.edu, navigate to us from the homepage, or go straight to our scheduling website at brazos-port.edu/writing center schedule. This is a place where you can schedule and attend your session. You'll click through TutorTrack, and then when you're on TutorTrack, you'll find a place that says upcoming appointments right on your main page, and you'll be able to click through to the session. Pay attention to the date. If you have several appointments scheduled, you want to make sure you attend the right one. If you'd like a video walkthrough for how to attend your appointment, visit brazos-port.edu/writing center schedule, and the second or third video on the page will help you out. Also, from our Writing Center website, you can find writing resources. brazos-port.edu/writing center, and then navigate to resources for students, and you'll find bite-sized pieces of information that'll help you with citation, writing, including discussion posts, grammar, punctuation, and even technology, specific technology to you guys, like Virtual Campus, D2L, or formatting things in Microsoft Word. The idea behind our bites is that they're short, small, bite-sized pieces of information that help you understand concepts that might be confusing to you. They're accessible through our website, and you might even find that some of your professors will use them as feedback. If you have any questions now or throughout your semester, don't hesitate to reach out. You can get me at april.sikorsky@brazos-port.edu. We wish you well. Be patient, be grateful, and be safe. Thank you.